So welcome to the channel. My name's the Rusty Bartender, and this cocktail comes from 1937, we think, and is an absolute banger. So if you haven't tried it, you gotta try this one. If you're new here, we're making every single cocktail in Steve the Bartender's cocktail guide. The Hemingway Daiquiri is named for Ernest Hemingway, who enjoyed the drink at El Floridita in Havana, Cuba. As a diabetic, Hemingway preferred to avoid added sugar, which made the original recipe unbalanced. This adapted version is well balanced and highlights the maraschino liqueur. The Hemingway Daiquiri was typically served over crushed or shaved ice, but is now commonly served as a blended frozen drink or served straight up, just like this version. For this one, you're gonna grab your cocktail shaker, and we're gonna go in straight away with 2 ounces of a lightly aged rum. This particular rum is Prohibition rum, and it is a great little alternative to your regular Bacardi if you've ever got this one in your house. Then we're gonna go 1/4 ounce of your maraschino liqueur. Three-quarters of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. You're then gonna go 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice, the pink one, and then 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. You're then gonna add a small peel of grapefruit to your tin. This is actually gonna be called a regal shake. Add ice to your shaker. And we're gonna shake this for about 10 to 12 seconds. Like and subscribe. Please and thank you. Okay, we're then gonna double strain this into a chilled coupe glass. And this one's garnished with a lime wheel. And there you go, folks. This is the Hemingway Daiquiri. Let's give it a little sip and see what's going on in the glass. It's tart, it's fresh, it's vibrant. You get the rum really coming through. The maraschino gives it a little bit of a dry sort of finish on the palate. And the lime juice and the grapefruit, they're combining well, making it really bright and quite a delicious drink. Give this one a go, folks. Hemingway Daiquiri.